Welcome to Love is Crafting.
Love is crafting.
I'm Stanton.
And I'm Tila.
And if you're new to our channel, thanks for checking us out. Are you returning subscribers? Thanks for your support.
Here on this channel, we like to take you through crafts and other DIY projects that are real, but not necessarily perfect because love isn't perfect.
We have a goal to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, but we need your help. We are so close, all we need is 116 to meet our goal.
Will you please consider hitting the subscribe button? We post new videos every week.
And in this video, we needed a place to hang our stockings with care.
Now, we don't have a fireplace, so we needed some type of alternative to make my decor vision to come to life.
And instead of going out and buying some expensive stocking holder, we knew we could do it better and, more important, cheaper.
So we did. Take a look and follow along as we show you how it came out.
And support our channel by liking,
commenting,
and subscribing.
Love is crafting.
Love is crafting. First things first, we just gotta match up our PVC pipe. We're gonna use this middle connector to connect one PVC pipe to the other. This is probably your most important tool for this project, which is just a PVC cutter. Really easy to use. You put the PVC in and you score it and break it, or you can push down hard enough to fully break off the PVC pipe. We cut the PVC pipe on our work area just as an easy and lazy way to measure it. Just put the PVC pipe on and cut it where it should end. This is the next part of our PVC contraption, just an L joint, and we're gonna put this on both ends of the PVC pipe. Here's another way we just lazily measured the legs. We measured how far we wanted up and just cut off the excess and matched both legs to be the same height. In comes our next fitting, which is just a 3-way elbow. We're putting this at the bottom of each of the legs. Here are the remaining pieces after cutting our PVC pipe to size. We're just gonna put the extra pieces in the 3-way elbow so that way it gives it a little bit more stability. Now to the painting portion, we reinstall the PVC pipe, this time just using a mallet to make sure they are fully seated in place and as secure as possible. We went to painting directly onto the PVC pipe, but we did not like the coverage that it was giving us. Looks like we are going to need a primer coat. Right over the paint, we just primed the entire project in this primer coat. Now that it's primed, it's finally time to paint our project the gold that we want it to be. We weren't happy with the amount of sagging we were getting in the middle, so we decided to add an additional joint for support. One downside of malleting in these connectors is they're hard to get off. Took me longer than I care to admit, so decided to just cut it off. Now for the middle support, we decided to just do another PVC pipe with 2 T connectors on either side. We did a quick eyeball measure and cut the middle to match the legs that were already installed. We only made one cut, so we only have one piece. Cut it down the middle, and that was enough to have supports on either side of the new T-section. With the entire project painted, it was now time to drill our holes. This time we actually measured. Each section was about 46 inches and we wanted 6 hooks for each section. So we just took 46, divided it by 7, got about 6.5 inches in between each hole. Here we're just using a standard drill bit. It's all based on the size of the screws that you got. Since this is only 3/4 PVC pipe, it's pretty easy. Drill through about halfway. That gave the hooks just enough to grab onto. Now is Tila's favorite part, which is the install. Here we just put in the project, hung our stockings, and it goes perfectly with our tree. Thanks for watching, and remember, love is crafting.